if you're stuck with your fitness business right now and you can't get it to grow online using Instagram, I am about to reveal the biggest secret that has built my fitness business and my following on Instagram. Do you know what that is? Stay tuned. Now, before we get into this, the most important thing you want to think about in terms of building any business is awareness and traffic. Now, one of the best ways to do this, which I used to rapidly build my following to 500,000 followers over the last few years, was this, Instagram shoutouts. Now, what is an Instagram shoutout? So what that essentially is, I pay other pages on Instagram to post my content to get traffic back to my page. Now, the most powerful, important thing we have in this world right now is traffic and people's attention, and you can literally go and buy that. Now, if we think about why this works so well, is I can go and find other fitness pages that have 2-3 million followers, pay them X amount of money, they post my transformations, they post my training content, that gets people to buy into me more, gets people to go and check out my own account, they become followers, we then engage with them, and then we then get clients. So what this looks like in a practical sense in terms of actually building a fitness business is this. The big advantage of shoutout pages versus, say, traditional Facebook ads, on a shoutout page you can post before and after photos. On Facebook and Instagram ads you can't. So I can put world-class transformation photos that will go viral on these pages that I can't put on Facebook ads. So I can get these in front of cold eyes. So this is one of the best things in terms of really showing your skills in terms of a coach and getting your social proof out there, is pushing the shoutout pages with that type of content. So what we're going to go through today is a couple of different steps in terms of what to look for in trying a shoutout page, how much you should pay, what type of content, and we're going to break those down step by step. So if we look firstly at what type of content and what type of page you should be looking for. So when you're looking for pages, the most important thing is getting analytics from these pages. So if you go on to Instagram and you find a shout out page, so a page which has resharing other people's content and tagging them, and it has something like paid promotion in the caption, they're probably selling their services. Now, most of these big pages will be doing this anyway. So if you message them, you can ask how much would it be for a shout out. Now, what you want to do before going into pricing is you want a copy of basically their analytics. You don't want a screenshot an image because this can be photoshopped. You want a screen recording with today's date and time. And that will show you live what's going on. Now, the important thing on here you want to look at is not just total number of followers, because what you'll find is a lot of accounts with big followings have a lot of people who are Indians. Now, what we want is primarily US and Western country followers. So the best pages who have the right audience for you are going to have their top location of audience set in the United States. The second thing I look at would be if it's obviously a male or a female based audience, depending on who your niche is and what your content is. That's a really important thing to think about. Now, when you've got the page, and you've got a page you like the analytics of, it looks really, really good. When it comes into negotiations with pricing, what I would suggest most people do is they buy bundles. So instead of buying one post and one story, I'd buy a bundle of like 5 posts, 7 posts, whatever, and spread them out over a month. Because one of the most powerful things is an audience seeing you repeatedly turn up. You posting once and pulling someone in isn't really going to make much difference. Now, what you want to think about when it comes to you and your fitness brand is what's called omnipresence. You want to be everywhere at all times, and you want to be the first person that people think of when it comes to fitness and transformations. That's the way I think about CJ Coaching, is as soon as you think about an online fitness transformation program, we're who you think of, we're in your face, you see our ads, you see the shout out pages, see us on YouTube, social media, podcasts, emails, everything, we're all over you. And that's what you want in terms of building a business. And this is why shoutouts are a really good part to include in that. So when you found a page, I would try and negotiate a bundle with them. They're normally very flexible in terms of the pricing with that. They'll try and probably quote you something quite high. My suggestion would be that you negotiate. When you have got that agreement, when you're looking at what you should be looking to pay, can vary. So for example, there are accounts I pay $2,500 for 10 posts across 3 pages with stories, and those pages have maybe 4 or 5 million followers across them. So it's pretty valuable, quite a lot of money. But the way I look at that is if I get one client, it pays for itself. If I get in front of a potential audience of 3 million people 10 times, am I going to be able to convert one person as a client? Likely is probably yes. And what this is also doing is it's storing goodwill in the bank, bringing new people in terms of lead generation for you to warm up, come into your ecosystem. Funny thing is here, me being in Las Vegas, I had someone come up to me in Starbucks yesterday, asked about buying a program, who recognized me from social media. I'm a kid from the countryside of England. I'm in Las Vegas, Nevada in the desert, the other side of the world. That doesn't happen by chance. That happens because I create presence by using things like Shoutouts to do that. Now, with that being said, when you've negotiated a price and you've got that agreed, you've paid them, last you paid via PayPal, what you then want to do is what type of content you're going to post. So there's two types of strategies you want to do with this in content. Number one is you want to be using transformation posts with sick captions in terms of like telling a story and why people should work with you. You want to have your title and username in the top at the very first line so people click on your profile, and you want to have a call to action to message you in the caption. So I would do carousels of transformations, and that's to acquire leads and like a sales post, right? Direct sales. The second thing we want to do is you want to get your highest performing content that has education with utility that people can use and will like and will get a lot of reach. You put it onto these pages and you put the caption asking people to follow you for more content like that. This is a really effective way to then build up your audience. Now, what happens when you do this is this. You get new people follow your page. What do you think you should then do? Maybe message them and try and sell them a program. And that's how you can build your fitness business very, very quickly and get a quick ROI on Shoutouts. Second thing with that, in terms of quick ROI, make sure you have a call booking link in your bio. And I would probably attribute anyone who just randomly books a call off of that to the Shoutout pages if you're driving a lot of traffic from that. So tracking these metrics is really the key. And with our clients on the Mastermind 7-Figure Scaling Systems, we have a full template Shoutout page tracker we have access on the portal, which will help you with that. Now, the second type of post in terms of drawing in followers is very obviously lucrative in terms of building our account, getting some more impressions and getting more reach. When we look at stories on Shoutout pages, this is something slightly different in terms of options of what we can do. So we can do direct sales posts, like sharing a transformation with like a copy above it on the story, and underneath message at Charlie Johnson Fitness, keyword results to find out how we can help you or to get success like this will be one option. The second option I find works well as a direct sales post is using like an SMS post. So like I am looking for 7 people and posting that directly onto the stories with a like message Charlie Johnson cover model thing emoji below, so people can actually click your username on the story, because you want to make this as easy as possible for people to get into your profile. That'd be second thing. Third thing would be putting on like free guides into the stories that people can then download. So if you put, for example, a free guide in terms of like message me arms for my free arm training guide, or if you want a free copy of our fat burning diet, message us fat burning with the 2,200 calorie sample, then that will drive a lot of traffic into your Instagram page, which will be highly, highly, highly effective. I can promise you that. Now, we have to look at one of the core things we teach in 7-Figure Scaling Systems is what's called our 4C method, and that's creating content, to create conversations, to create calls, to create clients. And if you use this framework on Shoutout pages, it's like fucking sticking someone who's really advanced on steroids for the first time. They're going to blow up and get really, really quick results. So that's the next thing you want to think about. Now, in terms of other posts you can put on stories, I would suggest getting your most viral content when you post something. If you know you've got something that's going to be a banger, right? Like I had a video of me eating a giant croissant or something like that, posting that, and then getting a Shoutout page to share that on their stories at the same time will help that to go viral. Another thing that can work with that as well is also doing collaborator posts if you've got humor content that you think could go viral and get a lot of traffic. These are some of the things that work really, really well just to get your social media content around on the internet and get people to know who you are more, get your face in front of more people. As much as part of me dislikes doing humor content because I'm a very straight, blunt British guy, it has its purpose in terms of getting you the traffic and the reach that you need, which is important, so you can then sell people your services. So this is the methodology in terms of Shoutout pages. We have a couple that we use religiously. One would be Top Gym Tips, Truly Jacked, and I think Truly Ripped is the other one. So those would be a couple of pages I'd recommend. If you want to find out more about the pages we use, then feel free to drop me a message and I can share a bit some more information about that. We have spent upwards of probably $200,000 on Shoutouts, maybe more, over the last few years. So very, very versed in this arena. And if you're looking to blow up your fitness business and you want a free copy of our 4C course, completely free, which has helped generate me over $5 million in sales, hit the link below this video and podcast and get free access to that. If this podcast was helpful and insightful and you want more direct, tactical, strategic stuff like this, how to grow your business, then make sure you leave us a review and drop me a message with any feedback on Instagram or Facebook or LinkedIn with what more content you'd like to hear, and we'll have more podcasts coming soon. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and share it with a friend.